Hello friends, so is your check engine light on with code P0468? If you're noticing incorrect fuel readings, the fuel gauge fluctuating or trouble refueling, then this code could be the culprit. In this video, I'll explain what P0468 means, its symptoms, sensor locations, and how to fix it. Let's get started. Okay, so what is P0468? The P0468 code stands for Fuel Level Sensor B Circuit High. Your car's fuel level sensor, or FLS, monitors the fuel level in your tank and sends data to your ECU, which is the engine control unit, and also to your fuel gauge. When the ECU detects an abnormally high voltage signal from the sensor, it triggers code P0468, which can cause incorrect fuel readings and, yeah, some other performance issues too. Alright, so let's talk about the common symptoms of a P0468 code. You might notice the check engine light is on, the fuel gauge could be stuck on full or empty, or maybe you're seeing fluctuating or just plain incorrect fuel level readings. Sometimes you might even have trouble refueling, like the pump keeps shutting off early. And unfortunately, you could experience poor fuel economy because the ECU is making the wrong adjustments. If you ignore this code, you could end up running out of fuel unexpectedly, so it's definitely something you don't want to brush off. Now, where do you actually find the parts involved with P0468? First up, there's the fuel level sensor. That's the main component here, and it's located inside the fuel tank, attached right to the fuel pump assembly. You might have to remove the rear seat, or even lower the fuel tank to get to it, which can be a bit of a hassle. Next, we've got the fuel pump module, which is also mounted inside or right on top of the fuel tank, and works alongside that fuel level sensor. Then there's the ECU, or engine control unit, usually found in the engine bay, or tucked under the dashboard. That's the brain that processes all the sensor data. Don't forget about the wiring harness and connectors. These run from the fuel level sensor to the ECU, so it's a good idea to check for any loose or damaged connections. Oh, and just a quick tip, since the fuel level sensor is inside the fuel tank, it can definitely be tricky to access. So, let's talk about some of the most common causes of the P0468 code. First up, a faulty fuel level sensor. Sometimes the sensor just fails internally and starts over-reporting voltage. Next, there could be a short circuit in the wiring, which can make the sensor send high voltage readings, even if it's working fine otherwise. Third, a fuel pump module malfunction. Since the sensor is part of this module, any failure here can throw off your readings. Fourth, there might be an ECU software glitch, where the computer just isn't interpreting the sensor data correctly, and that can trigger this code. And finally, a contaminated fuel tank, with dirt or debris getting in there and interfering with sensor operation. Alright, so how do you actually fix a P0468 code? Step 1. Scan the vehicle with an OBD-II scanner to confirm the P0468 code is present. Step 2. Inspect the fuel level sensor wiring and connectors. Look for any corrosion or loose wires because honestly that's a pretty common issue. Step 3. Test the fuel level sensor voltage using a multimeter just to see if it's putting out excessive voltage. Step 4. Check the fuel pump module itself, since a faulty module could be sending out incorrect signals. Step 5. Inspect the ECU for software updates because in some cases the fix is as simple as reprogramming the ECU. Step 6. If you find the fuel level sensor is bad, replacing it is usually the best solution. And finally, Step 7. Clear the code and take the car for a test drive to see if the issue comes back. The P0468 code is usually caused by a faulty fuel level sensor wiring issues or ECU errors. Fixing it, well, it ensures you get accurate fuel readings and helps prevent those unexpected breakdowns that nobody wants. For more car troubleshooting guides, you can check out these videos next: P0210 injector circuit malfunction, cylinder 10, and P0211 injector circuit malfunction, cylinder 11. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for more car repair tips.